How to block a contact on Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can block a contact on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on your device. Now, once you are in, all you have to do is tap on the chats tab right here. Now here you can see all of your chats. Now in order to delete a chat of your friend, all you have to do is go to friends right here, tap on it, and here you can see your friends right here. Now let's say you wanna block this friend right here. Now in order to block them, just swipe left like this, and you can see block right here. Tap on block and tap on block messages and tap on block again. Once you do that, your friend will be blocked. That's it. This is how easy it is to block someone on Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.